Let's simplify this problem. Now, what we could do is work inside the parentheses first. Now, if I do that, I'm going to get this. 3x, and then what about this here? What do you see here? I see a division. So if a division, what do you do with the exponents? What's right below division? Subtraction. So I'm going to take the top exponent, subtract the bottom exponent. So I get 3x to the 6th, and then y to the 6th minus 2, and that's all squared. So I get 3x to the 6th, y to the 4th squared. And now, inside the parentheses, it's all a multiplication. So I can distribute this exponent all the way through. So I'm going to get 3 squared, which is 9, x to the... Now what do you do with the exponents? You're raising a power to a power, so you multiply them. I'll show it. And then y to the multiply, 4 times 2, so we end up with 9, x to the 8th, y to the 8th. Now, another way we could have done this is I could have, what's inside here? It's all multiplication division. I could just distribute this exponent to each one of those factors. So doing that, I would get the 3 squared. I get the x to the 12th. Now that I see that, let's look down here. Look what I did here. You see this? 6 times 2. I wrote an 8. How did I get that? How did I ever get an 8 out of that? 6 times 2. That's 12. Okay, so I caught it up here. Lucky thing I did this both ways. So I'll get 3 squared. Then I'll get x to the 6 times 2 is a 12. And then again with the y. So I'll get the same thing with the y. I'll get y to the 12 all over. And then down here, I get, multiply those exponents, I get y to the 4th. Now, 3 squared is 9. X to the 12. And then what do you get for the y's? You're dividing, so we're going to subtract exponents, top minus bottom. So I'll get y to the 12 minus 4. I'll get 9x to the 12, y to the 8th. Same as we got down here.